Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today in my rubric Let's Fix It, I bought two designs on Adobe Stock and I fixed them. I made edits, of course, in my opinion, and maybe your opinion will be different. And if you think that those designs are great and my edits not pretty good, please write about it in the comments below. And I want to invite you on my Instagram, where I talking about graphic design and of course my life in Montenegro. And as well, I want to invite you on my Telegram channel. There are more than 1,500 designers on my Telegram channel, and there is a chat where you can talk with each other and ask questions. And of course, on my Instagram or Telegram channel, you will know what I'm doing now in graphic design. So I'm waiting for you on my Instagram and on my Telegram channel. And now guys, let's look at designs. I take the theme Easter because the Easter will be in next month. So let's look at designs and my edits, and I'm waiting for your comments below. Let's go. Well guys, today on Adobe Stock I bought this design and this one. And now let's go to Adobe Illustrator and I will talk with you about mistakes in these designs and let's fix them. Now we are in Adobe Illustrator and the main mistakes here is overload composition and of course typography. And one more mistake, when you add your design on Adobe Stock, you need to create design with artboard with the same size. Here you see the artboard with the size 1000 pixels to 1000 pixels, and why the composition and the whole design is beyond the artboard. It looks not great, and as well not everyone your buyer is the designer, and because of it he cannot understand what is the black square here, and he will think that is the mistake of the designer, and he can't understand how to delete that black square, and it's just the wrong artboard. So then you create the design for stocks, for Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, no matter. You always need to create the design with artboard with the same size, because as I already said, not everyone can understand that it's not their mistake, that it's just a wrong artboard. And now let's talk about the design. Here we see too much everything in one design, a lot of elements, a lot of different fonts and colors that not suit well with each other. For example, that red color is too bright because mostly elements are mute, and that red color looks not good for this design. So you always need to think about color shades, then you create design. And if your colors not play well with each other, it's as well bad for the design work. As well, here too much different fonts that looks not pretty with each other, and because of it the whole composition looks pretty bad. Here we have very good designs and rabbits and eggs and bags and flowers, but because of there is too much elements, it looks bad. And as well, you need to think about the size of your artboard. For whom your artboard? In what social media you want to see your design? For example, it will be Instagram. Instagram has two sizes. It's post size and its story size. And if you want to create design for the post, you need to take this size. If you want to create design for the Instagram story, you need to take this size. But the size of this design, I don't know for what social media you can use it. And now let's look to my edits. And I prepare this design for the Instagram post. I take only that part of composition of previous design, and I added here different fonts and as well here. My composition now not overloaded. Here you see the congratulations with Easter. Here you see the design, and here you see why you need to see that post. And the composition looks pretty cute, and the composition looks modern, trendy, and commercial. It means that many buyers can use this composition for their Easter sale. And here, guys, I want to tell you about my course Commercial Portfolio Step Up. My course is for you if you want to create your first commercial portfolio, to understand how to create your own design and understand how to earn money with your portfolio. On my website you will find the course announcement, and as well you will find student works and of course reviews, and under every review you will find the portfolio of the student. And guys, if you want to make step up in graphic design with me, then come and learn. And now guys, you see one more option of the first design. It's more playful, more childish, more interesting not only for women but as well for children, because you know that the sale is the main option of women and children's. And here what I made more playful background. You see I add some elements, and as well I used more playful and not so pretty font as on the first design, but the font still modern, stylish. And you see the Easter sale, you see what sale, and you see that it's special offer. And you can use that design at once on your Instagram page, and 50% off. It's one of the main offers of every sale, and your buyer can use that design with no edits, just buy it and use it, and that's all. And guys, you will find all fonts from this tutorial below this video. And now let's go to the next design. Well guys, now you see the next design. And the main mistake of that design is the color. Red color for Easter, not the good choice. It's not Halloween, it's Easter, it's bright and happy holiday. And if you want to make modern, commercial and useful design that buyers will be buy, you need at first to learn the theme what you are going to draw. You need to learn the main elements and of course the main colors. And if we will go to Adobe Stock, you will see that the main colors for Easter, it's bright blue, pink, yellow, green, but never red. The red color and Easter is the bad match. As I already said, it's not the Halloween, it's happy and bright holiday. And mostly people want to see Easter with happy and bright colors. So guys, if you want to create design what will be sell and to earn money on selling designs, you always need to learn the theme. You always need to know what colors to use in the theme what you will create. And if you will be draw in your own style, in your own thinking, maybe someone will buy your design once or 2 times and that's all. You need to make design that will be sell 10, 20, 50 times, and it's your goal on Adobe Stock, on Shutterstock and other stocks. So guys, always learn the theme before you will start to draw the design. And if you will know the theme well, your designs will be sell. Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about a graphic design.